Most people tend to spend their time on only a few websites. Today, we are aiming to expand that by showing off 15 useful sites that will improve your online experience. As always, if you enjoyed the video, then please consider leaving a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Starting off the list is TweetDeck. TweetDeck gives you a sleek, compact interface for Twitter. Your homepage, notifications, and messages are all displayed on one page in columns that update automatically. You can also add custom columns by pressing the plus icon. A new window will open. Here you can select what type of column you want to add. At the top of each column, there is a settings icon. Once pressed, a drop menu will appear. You can then customize what content is shown in this column. One of the more useful features of TweetDeck is the ability to schedule tweets for any time and date. You can bulk schedule tweets, making it perfect for creators and businesses to push out content on a regular basis. A good movie to watch is perfect for finding new movies and shows to binge. At the top of the web page, you can sort by movies, shows, or categories. Then you can select the streaming services you have. That way, you're only being recommended content you have access to. You can check off shows you've watched and even add films to a watch later list. There is also a search bar at the top of the page that you can use to search for categories not already listed on the site. With the holiday season just around the corner, saving money is more important than ever, and ShopBot could help you shop smarter. ShopBot allows you to compare prices on any given product across various vendors in your country. Simply type in the name of the product you want and hit search. ShopBot will find all the products matching your term and give you filter options to narrow down your results. Your results can also be sorted by alphabetical order, relevance, price, or discount. ShopBot is currently available in Australia, Canada, France, and New Zealand. If you're sick of getting spam emails from websites you signed up for and used once, then you might want to try 10-Minute Mail. Like the name suggests, you can get temporary access to a randomized email for 10 minutes. This service is great for signing up for random websites, making temporary accounts, and keeping your information protected. If you need more time with your temporary email, you can press the Get 10 More Minutes option to restart your timer. It is important to note that you don't want to use a 10-minute mail email for any important or personal accounts. Streamable is a handy website for sharing your video clips in HD quality. The upload process for Streamable is streamlined and hassle-free. You can upload your video clips by dropping it in or using the Browse Upload feature. A shareable link will be generated under your video while the upload process is taking place. Press the Copy Link button to quickly share your video with friends. There are also a few options available allowing you to trim, embed, or download the video. If you're a YouTuber, blogger, or creator struggling for content ideas, then Answer the Public might be the answer you're looking for. Enter a topic into the search bar, hit enter, then wait. Answer the Public will compile a list of questions and phrases relating to your topic. Sift through the options to find keywords and content ideas based on your topic. When you get a new computer or laptop, Ninite should be the first website you visit. Ninite makes installing all your essential programs quick and easy. When on the website, you will see lists of programs. Each program is organized into categories based on their functions and features. Check the box next to any program you want to install. When you have all the software selected, press Get Your Ninite. You can then use your Ninite to quickly install all of the programs at once. Whether you're new or experienced at building computers, PC Part Picker is always handy. One of the biggest challenges with computer building is finding compatible parts. PC Part Picker helps you choose the perfect components for your build and at the best prices. When picking components, PC Part Picker will automatically update the total value of your components. This makes working with a budget that much easier and can save you hours on planning for your next build. New builders may want to try out the Build Guides page for various builds working with different budgets. Social sites typically tend to restrict how many outgoing links you can share in your bio. Linktree gives you the ability to store all of your social links on one page, giving you one shareable link that serves all purposes. As a creative, it can be hard to constantly find new complementary color schemes to use in your designs. Adobe Color helps relieve some of that pressure by suggesting colors that work well together. On the left, there are different color themes that you can select from. You can then move the sliders at the bottom to fine-tune and adjust your color scheme. When you're happy, you can copy each color code over to your graphic program of choice. Slither.io is a simple and fun game perfect for when you're bored or have some time to burn. There are no signups necessary. Simply type in a nickname and press play. The objective of the game is to eat up as many glowing balls as possible while avoiding other players. You can control your snake with your cursor or by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Straw Poll allows you to quickly create and share a poll with no sign-up needed. The site is simple. Enter your question and poll options, then press Create. You can then copy and share the URL to have others vote on your poll. Flat Icon is another useful website for creators and designers, featuring millions of vector images, icons, and logos suitable for any purpose. Although it's not recommended, occasionally you might find yourself downloading untrustworthy files or visiting sketchy websites. VirusTotal allows you to run a scan on URLs and files easily to ensure they're safe. To scan a file, simply upload the document to the website and confirm your upload. Your file will then begin to scan. This process can take a few minutes. You will then see the results for multiple antivirus programs, letting you know if anything suspicious was found. If you've ever found yourself looking for the perfect font for a project or artwork, then DaFont is a great solution for discovering new typefaces. You can search for fonts by name, style, or popularity, allowing you to find trending styles for your designs. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. We hope you find use in at least one of these websites. Be sure to let us know which site is your favorite in the comments section below.